Learning software development in general is a fairly daunting task. There's a lot of stuff that's sort of around and above the language. Java is actually particularly easy and straightforward to teach as a first programming language. There are a lot of books about it. There are a lot of interesting tools. There are things like the Blue Jay programming environment that comes along with a textbook. It's really a great way to learn Java.
I know it's hard to believe now because Java has a reputation of being a difficult language to learn among uni students today. And I can't really blame them. I mean, have you seen what it takes just to print a statement in Java? Back in the day, Java was considered a lifesaver to the problems people were facing using C or C++. Java introduced many of the concepts that today is now the default feature that all programming language has. Things such as automatic memory management collection or the ability to run a program. Today we are looking into the programming language that somehow both became a corporate overload stream and every undergrad's introduction to coding night. It's the story of Java. Our story begins in 1991 with the Green Project. Sun Microsystems assembled a team led by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton to explore new ways of interacting with digital devices. Back then, the focus wasn't on computers or servers, it was on appliances like TVs and VCRs. Their challenge? Hardware diversity. Every appliance used different chips and operating systems, making it nearly impossible to develop a universal solution. The team needed a solution, and the answer lay in creating a platform-agnostic language. The idea was revolutionary, a programming language that could run the same code on any device as long as it had the right interpreter. Initially, they called their language Oak after a tree outside a Gosling office window. By 1995, the team's original focus on appliances shifted. The rise of the World Wide Web offered a much bigger opportunity, the need for a dynamic, interactive website. Gosling and his team rebranded Oak to Java, inspired by their caffeine-fueled coding sessions. Sun Microsystems made a bold move. They integrated Java with web browsers. While applets themselves didn't stand the test of time, they were a bold proof of concept. More importantly, they paved the way for Java's future dominance in building web applications, which cemented its legacy. Java's true moment in the spotlight came in the late 1990s when businesses faced new challenges. Enterprises were growing rapidly and their software needed to keep up. This means scalability, security, flexibility, all areas where Java's excelled. One of Java's key strengths was the JVM or Java Virtual Machine. This layer allowed developers to write code once and run it on any system, whether it's Windows, Linux, or even obscure mainframes. In 1998, Sun Microsystems introduced Java 2, which included the Java Enterprise Edition J2EE. This wasn't just a programming language anymore, it was a comprehensive platform for building web servers, databases, and business applications. When it comes to the banking sector, Java isn't just a tool, it's a backbone. For decades, Java has quietly powered the system that processes your transaction, calculate interest rate, and secure your money. Why Java? Well, banking demands three things above all: reliability, security, and scalability. These aren't just buzzwords. In finance, a minor error or vulnerability could mean millions of dollars loss or worse. Java excels in its environment for several reasons. First, its platform independence, making it perfect for banks, which often run a mix of legacy and modern systems. With Java, the same application can run on a server in one country and a mainframe in another without needing significant rewrites. Second, the Java virtual machine ensure robustness. Java's memory management, type safety, and exception handling significantly reduce the likelihood of catastrophic crashes, a non-negotiable features in banking. And third, its security features like runtime restriction and sandboxing, and also its built-in cryptography libraries, making it ideal for safeguarding sensitive financial data. But Java wasn't done evolving. In 2008, Google unveiled Android, a mobile operating system powered by Java. Suddenly, Java wasn't just for server room, it was in pockets of millions of users worldwide. Android's reliance on Java wasn't an accident. The language's simplicity, flexibility, and massive developer base made it a natural choice. Even today, despite the rise of Kotlin, Java remains cornerstone of Android development. Whether it's your favorite game, banking app, or productivity tool, chances are Java had a hand in making it. So that's the story of Java, a quirky little language that started as a way to control appliances and ended up running the internet, powering a banking app, and yes, probably even lurking somewhere in your smartphone. It's funny to think about, for all the hype around new programming languages, it's Java that kept chugging along, like the quiet worker in the office who doesn't say much but gets all the real work done. And maybe that's a lesson here. While flashy trends come and go, it's the solid, dependable tools that really stand the test of time.